She is Agbomma, one of the beautiful maidens in Adagbowele. Even her enemies do not fail to turn round when she walks past in order to admire her beauty. Agbomma is said to have gotten her beauty from her maternal grandmother, Nwanyi Manari.
Ejule, ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule nke mmesi ife niile mma. Ejule, ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule nke mmesi ife niile mma. Ka anyị gụbanụ ejule, ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule, egwu na-etiwala Igbo ụzọ. Ka anyị gụbanụ ejule,
Nwanyi Manari, indeed. Her name says it all. She is Agbomma's maternal grandmother. Everyone believes Agbomma got her beauty from her. Nwanyi Manari's memory will live forever in the hearts of her people because the historic ejule, the famous but sacred song that revives the weak and strengthens the downtrodden, ended with Nwanyi Manari. Since she died 27 years ago, nobody in the land has managed to sing ejule.
Ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Ka anyị gụbanụ ejule, ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule, egwu na-etiwala Igbo ụzọ. Ejule, ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Ka anyị gụbanụ ejule, ejule, egwu dị nsọ ejule, egwu na-etiwala Igbo ụzọ. Ejule, ejule, egwu dị mma ejule, egwu ga-etiwala Igbo ụzọ. Ọ bụla ejule,
Thank you.
Ada. Please come. Please. Who are you?
Ogwefi, you heard her refer to me as Papa Nuku, and you still ask that question?
Anyway, anyone can call an old man Papa Nuku. It means different things to different people. And please, tell me, who are you?
Ogwefi, let me tell you. She's Agbomma, my daughter's child.
Oh?
Yes.
You mean she is Odali Igwe's daughter?
What do you mean? Do I have two daughters?
See, I see a resemblance. What I am seeing is a replica of your wife, Nwanyi Manari.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
One. My daughter, listen and listen good. Nwanyi Manari, on a good day, when the time is right, shall send you a young man who will teach you how to sing ejule. If you listen to him and learn it, you shall make a greater impact than Nwanyi Manari made during a lifetime. both of you will recreate history. Yeah.
Am I talking to a human being or this tree? Who's 1 million?
Agbomma.
Did you hear a thing I said? Were you even listening to me? About Ozobialu, right? Yes. Or have I said any other thing since we got here? And what is it he said again? About the man that Nwanyi Manari will send to teach you ejule, right? I'm not even concerned about that. But about why you? Agbomma, you shouldn't take whatever Ozobialu told you to heart. And even allow it to bother you. Well, I am not bothered, as you can see. No, you are, because you've been going on and on about it. You shouldn't allow it to bother you. Do you not know who Ozobialu is? I don't know him. I only met him for the first time that day. Ozobialu is a talkative, so you shouldn't allow whatever senseless ideas he puts into your head bother you. But you know, if you insist on letting it bother you, then I think I should just leave and go somewhere else where people who think straight are.
Is he that irresponsible? Why has everyone in the village written him off?
Ozobialu talks too much. Although he claims to be a seer, but there's no day in this kingdom that he doesn't visit all the halls where men live in, just to have an avenue to talk.
I don't see him as being irresponsible, because all the things he talked about didn't seem out of point.
Ozobialu does not talk sensibly, especially when there's a plate of kola nut in front of him.
What does that mean?
A lot of people have stopped offering him kola nuts because it is believed that once he sees one, he'll start talking rubbish. Was your grandfather breaking kola nuts when he said that to you?
Yes. There was a plate of kola nuts in their midst. And as a matter of fact, he was looking at the kola nut when he was saying what he was saying.
Exactly my point. Forget about him and whatever he has said to you. A man has never done a ejule song before. So why would my mother send someone to teach you that? Eh? Just forget about him and his useless words. Go and check whether your father has finished eating so that you can clear the plates. Inugo. No, oh dear. Ozobialu.
Why are you standing on my path and smiling at me? Who are you?
Egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi.
Is something wrong?
Are you the one she sent to teach me? I'm sorry. Are you the one my grandmother sent to teach me the song? Egwu ejule egwu ego.
Your grandmother. Who is she and what is egwu ejule?
My grandmother is Nwanyi Manari and egwu ejule is a song you were just singing.
Sorry, I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you joking? Egwu ejule, the song you were just singing now. My grandmother was the last person to perform it before she died, and it died with her. Are you the one she sent to teach me the song?
egwu ejule egwu ego egwu ejule
Mama!
egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi
Mama!
niile mma egwu ejule egwu ego egwu ejule egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma ka anyị gụbanụ egwu ejule egwu ego egwu ejule.
I believe he's the one Ogbuefi Ogbalu was talking about, and nobody can convince me otherwise.
Could this be the reason why you brought me back from the farm? You are giving what Ogbuefi Ogbalu said a thought?
At first, when he was singing, I thought I was dreaming. Then he woke me up when he walked up to me. The melodious tune from his lips, immediately, I lost my senses. I lost my senses when I was listening to him. But thank the gods because they rescued me. And I came back to my senses just before he walked away. I chased after him.
You may be right or wrong.
What do you mean by that? What about the old woman?
She was very beautiful and a good singer. She labored all night teaching me the song. I woke up and the song would not leave my lips. You know, I don't even understand how I got to Adabowele. All I could remember is as soon as I stepped my feet into the path that led to Iye stream, I had the inclination to sing the song.
This is all so frightening and mysterious.
I think you are right. I came to Adabowele in a mysterious guide and direction.
Would you mind telling me about yourself?
My name is Ozobialu, son of Ezu of Umuezu. And you, would you mind telling me about yourself?
Is what Ogbuefi Ogbalu said not coming true? Because the man confirmed that an old woman came to him in his dream, and how and when he got to Adabowele is what he could not comprehend.
Never. I don't wish to hear anything like that.
You don't wish to hear anything about what?
I don't wish to hear about that man or Umuezu or anything. I don't wish to hear that.
Mama, why? Why are you sounding like this? I'm talking to you about a man who I believe was probably sent to me by my grandmother Nwanyi to teach me egwu ejule.
I said, do not mention that again. Are you deaf?
Please don't do this to me. Shh. I am still a virgin. I cannot lose it this way. Please be good.
This is Ogunkwo, the sacred hill where people come to invoke the gods.
Ghost of my mother.
Mama, you're not saying anything to me. Why are you forbidding me from saying anything about what happened today?
I have said all that needs to be said. Forget about that man from Umuezu and whatever you think he represents.
But Mama,
I forbid you, Agbomma. I forbid you. Get the vegetables ready. Where's the firewood you went to fetch?
Firewood?
Yes, firewood. Or wasn't that what you set out early this morning to go and get?
Who are you?
Wait. Wait.
Egwu ego egwu ejule egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma.
Woman, you did not come back with any firewood. Instead, you came back with a stupid tale about that man from Umuezu.
Mama, I fetched the firewood, but I forgot it.
You forgot it? Where?
I'm coming. Let me get. I'm coming to get.
What is wrong with her?
I have been so disturbed since that day. The worst is that my mother does not want to hear anything about it. I only wish my father is back from the settlement. Maybe he will understand.
I do not understand any of this. How can a man come out from nowhere and claim that the spirits taught him egwu?
Hard to believe, but it is true. Remember that Ozobialu told me it was going to happen.
Oh, please, do not bring in Ozobialu into this.
But it is clear, it is crystal clear, Ozomili. Okay, he sang the song to me perfectly. Perfectly. What about the dream? Was it fake too?
I would have given this a second thought if this man was to be from Adabowele. Now tell me, why would your grandmother teach a man from Umuezo, the famous egwu, when we have able and worthy men in Adabowele?
I don't know. I don't know what to think. What do I do?
I think you should just forget every encounter you must have had with that man. Yes, for your own good. And please, I do not want to talk about this anymore. It's strange.
Agbomma na-agba egwu, egwu ejule egwu ego. Egwu anyị ji eteta ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Egwu anyị na-akụlụ ndị mere emume. Egwu anyị na-akụlụ ndị chiri echichi. Onye ọbụla bịa kilibe ebe Agbomma na-eweli egwu. Egwu anyị na-agụlụ ndị malụ Chukwu. Egwu anyị na-agụlụ ndị mere emume. Egwu anyị na-agụlụ ndị chiri echichi. Egwu anyị ji akpọlitenụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Egwu anyị ji akpọlitenụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Egwu ejule egwu ego. Egwu ndị mere emume. Egwu anyị ji edu n'aka na onye chiri echichi.
Finally a lunatic.
Lunatic, what?
What were you doing just now? Were you not dancing? What were you dancing to? I am not going to warn you again. Wherever you got that from, better send it back.
Do I look like a mad woman to you?
So what do you want me to call this?
Hey, I hear the song anytime, everywhere.
Even now?
No, it usually comes when I'm all alone.
Reasons I said you're gradually turning into a mad woman. Yes, because you alone hear this song and you equally dance to it. You better watch it because
I don't have control over it.
But you can control the way you move your body to the rhythm, I suppose.
Why does my best friend not understand me? How can she call me a mad woman? Trust me when I say this, I will not bother you about this matter anymore.
If you do not discuss this with me, tell me, which other of your friends will you discuss such delicate issue with?
You know what? Let's just forget about all of this, Biko. Let's forget it.
Agbomma! Agbomma!
Ujunwa, Kadu.
I was at your hut earlier and your mother told me you already left for the stream.
Uzomi, I'm out of here.
Who's up to? Is she okay? Is someone home? Is anybody at home? Is someone home? Agbomma.
Ujunwa, please, I am very busy right now.
Agbomma, wait. Are you okay?
Don't I look okay?
You look okay, but your attitude does not. Agbomma, you no longer visit me at home. We don't even hang out together as friends. Or are we not friends again?
You have said it all. I no longer visit you. We no longer hang out as friends. Does that connote that we're still friends? Are you that daft?
Agbomma, did I do something wrong?
Ujunwa, I will rather go solo than be with someone that stabs me at my back, that castigates me behind my back. I can't be with you. And let me warn you, I don't want to see you around here again. Inuke!
Agbomma!
People! Imagine the rubbish. What does she think she is? She had the guts to come to my house to ask me that stupid question.
I'm even disappointed at you for even listening to her.
It was because of the friendship we shared now.
What rubbish friendship? Was she thinking about the friendship when she went about saying all those rubbish about you?
I don't blame her. I blame myself. I blame my level of tolerance. The same quality I inherited from my grandmother when I married.
Please leave your grandmother out of this. I blame you for not sweeping her out of your compound.
Hey. Why are you taking this personal? Ujunwa offended me, not you.
Agbomma, you are my friend. And I care. Anyone who offends you, offends me too. You know that.
I know and I appreciate it. Thank you for always having my back.
It's okay. Sit down. I am happy you have realized how poisonous a snake Ujunwa is. Please sit, let me get you food. You should have swept her out of your compound.
I have heard. She will not come back again.
Egwu ejule egwu ego, egwu kegwu n'Igbo niile. Egwu anyị ji teta ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Egwu anyị ji etu na ndị chiri echichi. Egwu anyị na-agụlụ ndị mere emume. Egwu anyị na-agụlụ ndị na-eme mma. Ozobialu na-agụ egwu. Egwu ejule egwu ego. egwu anyị na-agụlụ ndị mere emume, egwu anyị ji edu na onye chiri echichi, egwu anyị ji akpọlite ndị nwụrụ anwụ. Egwu ejule egwu ego, egwu kegwu n'Igbo niile. Egwu anyị ji eteta ndị nwụrụ anwụ, egwu anyị ji edu na ndị chiri echichi.
Agbomma, what is it? The song, did you hear it? It just stops now. Hey, that song is so melodious. I can resist all things, but the urge to dance to that song, I cannot. Hey!
Agbomma, please, stop this madness. What is all this?
Nebiko, don't refer to it as madness, oh? Don't. That song is intense. And as a good dancer of Adabowele, I had to dance when the music is moving, Biko. Hey!
Agbomma, please, you have to stop. At least not here again. Before people will think I brought you here to drive you crazy.
Just admit it. You cannot shake it. You're a bad dancer. Sit down.
You're beginning to get me. Hey, Agbomma, you're beginning to scare me.
Scares ya, oh? You made this one for me. How do I continue like this? It is becoming more constant. I cannot resist the urge to dance whenever I hear it. The worst is that no other person hears this song, so they see me as a lunatic whenever I hear it and dance. Grandmother, did you actually speak through Ogbuefi? Did you teach Ozobialu the song in his dream? And did you send him to Adabowele to meet with me? What do you want me to do?
Agbomma, you have lost it. I will say it again and again. You have lost it.
My friend, I have not lost anything.
If you put yourself in my shoes, you will understand. In what shoes? Why are you bent on making yourself look stupid? You went to Mudioka to do what exactly?
My grandfather who was there when he spoke is dead. I had no choice than to go and look for Ogbuefi Ogbalu. I had to travel to Umudioka to look for him, and when I got there, they told me he died last year. I am so devastated right now.
Good for you. Good for you, he is dead. Maybe you will come back to your senses now.
Uzommili, even if Ogbuefi Ogbalu is dead, what about the man from Umwezu? What about my inability to get him off my mind? What about the song he sings for me?
I want to get this straight. What exactly do you want? The man or the song?
Hey! For the very first time, you ask a credible question. My friend, I will not lie to you. I will tell you as it is. I cannot get that man out of my head. Even if I try to shut my ears from hearing the music, he is still on my mind.
You're here in Adabowele thinking of a total stranger that came singing a strange song to you. And what does that make you, if not a fool?
Ozomi, I am not a fool. Don't call me names.
He is not a total stranger, and the song he sings is ejule,
And nothing. Agbomma, you are losing it, and you need someone to assist you regain your senses.
I am not insane. Stop saying that. I need to see that man again. He told me where he lives. It's just that my mother forbids me from going to Umwezu for anything.
Obviously, she believes you're crazy. Are we not saying the same thing?
I don't know what her reasons are, and frankly, I do not care. It's not my concern. What I'm concerned about is seeing that man again, because if I do not, I might just go crazy.
Thank the gods she's finally admitting that she's no longer the Agbomma I used to know. My take in this: if your mother forbids you from visiting Umwezu for any reason, then I advise you forget that man and take him off your head. Meanwhile, are you not going with me to Chichi's hut again? Okay. I already know what the answer is. But please, do not come asking for your own share of the meat that will be divided amongst the maidens.
Uzo, did you say Agbomma is alright?
Yes, she is. Why?
I'm just wondering why she didn't come to help Uchechi in cooking.
Maybe she's just jealous of Uchechi.
Uzo, jealous? Why would she be jealous?
Why would she not be jealous? Why would Agbomma not be jealous? Having rejected all those suitors. And it doesn't seem like any is coming anytime soon. So tell me, why would she not be jealous of Uchechi getting married?
Listen to yourself. She rejected the suitors, not the other way around. So tell me, why would she be jealous that another maiden is getting married?
If you ask me, who do I ask?
I'm just worried about her attitude towards me. Also, imagine Agbomma telling me that I am castigating her behind her back. Me? Why would I do such a thing?
And why are you getting yourself worried over that? Why?
Uzo.
Why are you worked up?
Uzo, listen. We have been friends all our lives. Tell me, why would I castigate Agbomma for anything? Why? It's just, why would she have this wrong? I can't even comprehend. I don't understand. Where is this coming from? Where are they coming from? I don't get it.
Ujumwa, I advise you think about other important issues. Like how to get a man for yourself. Just like Ibe is coming to see Uchechi's parents today. And as for your friendship with Agbomma, I think you should stop forcing yourself on someone who does not want or care about you.
Meet me inside.
Adako, are you not supposed to be inside what you're doing what you know best?
And what do you think I know best?
Why do I sense anger in your voice? You know makeup more than us, so we give it to you. I expect you to leave us while we do the cooking. Go inside and assist Uchechi in her makeup. If you ask me, Onye has a point.
What useless points does she have?
Oh my God. What will you have us do?
Nothing, just go back to where you're coming from and allow us to do what we are doing.
Did you just talk to me?
Exactly.
Did you? No. Hey, Ujumwa, I want to hear it a second time. Did you just talk to me? Is she? No. Hey. I want to know.
This is
Do not do anything that will waste tension. I just want her to say it a second time. Can you just talk to me? I can bet my life that when this food is done, it will come out not being tasty. I want to hear. I want to hear. Oh, Mahatmaka, Korea. When this food is done, it will come out not being tasty. Can you just talk to me? No.
Hey, Papa, I have missed you so much. What took you so long?
That is because you and your mother refused to go to the settlement with me. And I did all the farm work alone.
But you hired 3 men with you. What happened to them?
No hired man can do another man's job like him. They were there, but I was doing everything alone.
I trust you. I trust you and your strength. Okay, Nam. It is good to have you back. Oh.
Thank you so much.
At a point, I was contemplating coming to the settlement to look for you.
Agbomma, you come to the farm. That should be your next life. Anyway, how are you people doing?
We are very well, Papa.
What about your mother? Where is she?
She went to Okekugo's house. His daughter Uchechi is getting married today.
Really?
Yes, Papa.
And what are you doing at home here? You should have been there to celebrate with
I was waiting for you. Come and rest. Come inside. Come and rest. Then we can go and join them.
How is that even possible?
I don't know.
Why should Nwaimana do that?
I don't know. But I think she's unhappy Egwu Ejule died with her. It should not be so.
The man that said she appeared to him. What is the connection?
Nothing is clear at the moment, and that is because Mother has refused for me to take things further. I need to meet with that man to get more details.
And why is your mother stopping you?
I don't know why. I am not happy about it. I need to meet with him to get some details from him. There's something about that man that fascinates me.
So she didn't even wait for you to settle before telling you her stupid tale?
If anything, the so-called tale sounds interesting and not stupid.
Really?
Yes.
So what makes it interesting? That a total stranger signed Egwu Ejule? Or that he equally claimed an old woman who Agbomma believed to be Nwaimana taught him the song in his sleep? What kind of rubbish is that?
At least, there should be a chance to see whether it is true or not. Don't you think so?
I don't understand what you mean.
Ogbuefi Ogbalu
Ozokwa
told our daughter something to this effect. Credible people should not dismiss such things without any effort to find out if it is true or not.
Why are you bringing Ogbuefi Ogbalu into this? Listen, I will never ever support my only child to go on with this madness, and I think you should stand with me.
Why? Give me one reason we should not give her our support.
One reason?
Just one reason.
It is total madness. It is crazy. I don't want it, and so shall it be. I'm done talking about this. Good night.
Oh, Kachifo. Kachifo. You have spoken now. You will not try a matter.
I heard everything you said. I told you she would not agree.
ndu mmadụ o. Aha, nwanne m nwere njọ dị omimi. Njọ, njọ, njọ na-agba na ntị. Njọ, njọ, njọ emesilisi agwa na mmadụ. Njọ, njọ, njọ dị otu a na-emebi obodo. Nwanne m nwere njọ dị omimi. Njọ, njọ, njọ na-agba na ntị. Njọ.
How are you, my beautiful Odaligwe?
No, I am fine. Have you seen Agbomma? I've not seen her since I woke up. I need her to take the palm nuts to Nkwo's cell, but I've not seen her.
I sent her to my sister's house at Umudioka.
You are joking, aren't you?
Joke?
Yes.
Does this sound like a joke?
How come nobody told me about it?
Odaligwe, you should always remember that this is my house and I am the head. Must I always take permission from you for whatever I do in this house? Huh?
I know you are the head of this house, but she's my daughter. You can't just send her out like that. Okay, who is going to take the palm nuts to Nkwo? Is it you?
You carry the palm nuts, go to Nkwo market and sell the palm nut yourself. Go to Nkwo and sell the palm.
I had expected you to do that since you sent her out.
Yeah.
He comes back and everything changes. Every time he comes back, that's how he will just turn everything upside down.
Njọ na-agba na ntị. Njọ, njọ, njọ emesilisi agwa na mmadụ. Njọ, njọ, njọ dị otu a na-emebi isi n'obodo. Ife a na-ezi izo n'uwe erika.
I guess I will leave you for now. Are you sure we are at the right place? Yes, of course. Here is the place. Wait, it is only priests of deities and traditional healers that decorate their gates like this. Are you sure you have brought me to the right place?
You are at the right place. Except it's not Ozobialu. If the name you just mentioned now, Ozobialu, this is where you can find him. Yes. I think...
Is he a prince?
No. His father is the Ezu of Umezu. He ranks after the king. I will take my leave now. You go in and ask of him.
Nwanne m nwere njọ dị omimi. Njọ, njọ, njọ na-agba na ntị. Njọ, njọ, njọ emesilisi agwa na mmadụ. Njọ, njọ.
How am I sure this boy knows what he's saying? I hope I'm not making a terrible mistake.
Nwanne m nwere njọ dị omimi. Njọ, njọ, njọ na-agba na ntị. Njọ, njọ, njọ emesilisi agwa na mmadụ. Njọ, njọ, njọ dị otu a na-emebi isi n'obodo. Egwu dị n'otu, gbara ya jebe gbara n'ụma. Baba egwu ka iwe gbanwere gbara n'ụma. Si onye fụrụ n'anya gbaba gbara n'ụma. Ụwa dị omimi o siri ike gbara n'ụma. Ịfụnanya ka anyị ji eje gbara n'ụma.
I'm sorry about the hug. It was too tight.
It's okay. I liked it. I feel like hugging you again.
You came. Why?
I don't know why. Maybe because I couldn't get you out of my mind.
Me too. I've been longing to see you. If I knew your place, I could have come. Good to see you again. Sorry. Oh, come with me. A queen like you should not be kept waiting. Come.
This place is beautiful.
Thank you.
Why should I not be worried? Eh? What is the distance from here to Mudioka?
Udara, you worry so much. Eh? You don't expect my daughter, Agbomma, to just go to my sister's house, drop my message with her, and come back immediately.
Why not? She left this house before I woke up. I have gone to the market and came back, and she's not yet here. And you expect me not to worry?
She doesn't usually visit my sister's house. And this is a very good opportunity for her to catch up with her cousins. Besides, you don't know whether my sister will hold her back for days.
Nani, I don't like this. I don't like this one bit.
Like why?
That girl is my child. I have the right to everything concerning her.
And who is denying you your right over your daughter? Okay.
You're back.
Ujunwa, are you alright? Back from where?
Ujunwa, back from where? Do you not know when someone does not want to talk to you? Or don't you know how to respect yourself?
It worries me really. The way you talk to me now. As if we are seasoned enemies. Agbomma, it is me, Ujunwa, your bosom friend.
Bosom friend, my foot.
What did I do? What is my offense? Where have I wronged you? Tell me.
Ujunwa Biko, before I met you, I was on my way home happily. Let me go and think of things that will bring me joy. And you know, I am not in the mood for all these your pretenses.
Agbomma, Agbomma, Agbomma.
But mother, I didn't want to wake you up when I left very early in the morning.
So when did it become an abomination at Agbowele to wake up a sleeping woman?
I didn't wish to do so, Mama.
And you're just coming back now. What happened to your sense of responsibility?
But mother, I hurriedly swept the compound before leaving this morning. There's nothing wrong with my sense of responsibility.
Really?
You're back.
Yes, Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
How is my sister?
She's fine, Papa.
My nephews and nieces?
They're doing well, Papa.
Good. Please, get my snuff box for me.
Okay. Thank you, Papa.
I was still talking to that girl.
Questioning her? Odala Maloma. Just rest. And allow that poor girl to rest from the long journey.
Whatever.
If I nezezonu werika, if I nezezonu wakaliana, manewele fagezogi.
You tell me you went to Muizu. Is that not what I'm doing now? Because don't interrupt me again. No? Wait.
But your mother forbade you from going to Muizu. Do you want me to tell you this story or not? Okay. Go on, please. It was a royal treatment. At that moment, I felt like a princess. I felt like a queen.
This is the song of love. It's love has never seen. This is the song of love. This love is a mystery. This love can move mountains. This love can heal all wounds. This love can create all things. Who can stand in the way of love? Oh, this is the song of love. It's love has never seen. This is the song of love. This love is a mystery. This love can move mountains. This love can heal all wounds. This love can create all things. Who can stand on the way of love?
Are you okay now?
Yes. The food was something else. Very delicious. But not as wonderful as the services that accompanied it.
Talking about hospitality?
It was on point. At a point I couldn't feel myself anymore. I thought there was a princess living in me and I was watching her get entertained.
You know, you are more beautiful and gracious than any princess I know. The treatment you just received is the treatment we give to everybody who comes around here, any visitor I mean, that is, irrespective of their status. Yes, whether beggars or kings. But now, I want to give you the treatment meant for special people like you. Maidens!
Agbomma daima mbombo onye chimere na mada purina. Onye chimereze na mada purina ya mbombo. Agbomma daima mbombo. Agbomma daima onye chimereze na mada purina ya. Onye chimereze na mada purina ya mbombo. Agbomma daima mbombo. Agbomma daima mbombo onye chimereze na mada purina.
I am very positive that no princess has ever been treated that way. It was like heaven on earth.
I can understand that.
No, you don't understand. That is not it. When I was ready to leave, he had something in store for me, even though I was not even in the mood to leave. He bade me farewell with a special one.
That was nothing like I've ever experienced.
I wish I could do more to add more smiles on your beautiful face.
You have done enough already.
You know, the moment I saw you, my heart melted. I haven't felt this way for a woman before.
I wish I could stay longer, but my people will be worried if I don't return home soonest. I will keep the memories of today in the deepest part of my heart.
Okay, allow me add more memories to you.
You've done enough already.
Just one more.
Okay.
Egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Ka anyị gụbanụ egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule, egwu na-etiwala Igbo ụzọ. Egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule ga-emesi ife niile mma. Ka anyị gụbanụ egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị nsọ egwu ejule, egwu na-etiwala Igbo ụzọ. Egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu dị mma egwu ejule, egwu ga-etiwala Igbo ụzọ. Ọ bụla egwu ejule, egwu ego egwu ejule, egwu na-edosa egwu ejule, egwu ga-etiwala Igbo ụzọ.
I have never felt like that for any man.
And what can it be called?
Love at first sight. Or maybe not. Or who knows? We're soulmates. Because it felt as if we've known each other before now.
Well, that's true. You met him once on your way from Firewood Hut.
No, not that kind of meeting. Not at all. There's this special feeling I felt, like we're married or something. I felt that close to him.
You don't mean it, do you?
I do, my friend, I do. And the most important part of it all is that he feels exactly the same way for me.
The moments I shared with him were the most memorable moments of my life. I can't wait to be in his arms again, for him to hold me.
Agbomma, you have to slow down. You really have to slow down. This sounds very strange to me because we do not talk about men like this.
Exactly my point. It makes me now know that Ozobialu is different from every other man I've met.
I have never felt like this for another man. My friend, there's a whole lot I am not telling you. Let me go home, help my mother with the house chores, and when I come back, I will tell you everything as it is in my heart. Oh?
Your mother has gone out. Go ahead before she returns. How did you see the man? What did he tell you about the song?
The song?
Yes.
What song?
Egwu, of course. Was not that why you went looking for him in the first place?
Yes. He performed egwu for me at the end of my stay there. But the most important thing happened when he presented the man of my dreams to me.
What should I mean?
Papa, yes. I looked into his eyes and I saw the man my heart beats for. And interestingly, he feels the same way for me too.
No, there is no way this is true. Agbomma didn't come here, did she? She didn't tell me all that plays out in my head right now. But it's true. Your doubts cannot change anything. Agbomma, your friend, seems to have found the love of her life.
No, it can't be. How could she have? Even if she found love, it shouldn't be that man she just described to me.
Ozobialu is one of the best men any woman can have.
And that is exactly my problem. Why would Agbomma have a man before me when I, Uzomi, is still single and searching? Can't stay this and imagine her guts coming to tell me she was treated like a princess.
But that is true. Ozobialu seems to love her so much, like she said. It was love at first sight. And you should see them. They look perfect together.
Stop talking, you silly voice! I don't know who you are. Just stop talking. Stop talking. Stop talking. Not let Agbomma shine brighter than me. I will not let her rub this on my face. Mama, please wait.
How are you?
I'm well today, Mama.
I don't think so. So what are you doing hanging around here?
I hope you've not joined the league of these useless maidens who hang around stupid men.
The gods forbid. Ah, Mama, you know me better than this.
Well, people do change. So why did you stop me?
I've been waiting for the day you walk past our compound so I could brief you on what's going on. I'm very excited seeing you today.
Really? You want to tell me something? So, has anybody forbidden you from entering my compound?
No, Mama. What I want to tell you requires I meet you outside your hut. It's about Agbomma, Mama.
What is it?
I love Agbomma so much that I will never watch her go astray without trying to save her. Mama.
Spill it. What about my daughter?
Mama, you see Agbomma.
Agbomma! Agbomma! Kedabino! Kegi! Agbomma!
I'm here.
Agbomma, Biaba.
Agbomma, when did you grow old in this house? To obey me? Eh?
What is it?
I am still your mother and you must do as I say in this house.
What is the
have
meaning
I
of this?
done wrong, Mama? What have you not done wrong?
What is the meaning of this? Do you want to kill my daughter?
Nah, the meaning of that is that this girl here is a fool. She's not only disobedient, but she's a blatant liar.
What did she do? And what lie did she tell here now? Can't talk as you say.
Agbomma, where did you go to that day before I woke up? Where did you go?
Of course, she went to see my sister at Umudioka.
She went to see your sister at Umudioka?
Yes.
Can you confirm that, Nai? Can you confirm that she was actually there?
Of course. I saw Okeke, my sister's husband, at the bush market this afternoon. And he confirmed that to me.
Omemboji?
Yes.
Omemboji, for the sake of peace in this family, I don't want to believe that what I'm thinking was what actually happened.
What are you thinking?
Did you support Agbomma going to Umuez and use your sister as a cover-up? Did you?
What kind of ridiculous question is that? Sis?
It's not a ridiculous question. It is not.
Did anybody tell you that she did not go to Umudioka that day?
I got what I am saying from a reliable source. Agbomma, did you go to Umuezu that day? Did you?
Mama, of course not. I didn't go to Umuezu. You know you forbade me from going there. How will I go there, Kwan?
Agbomma, you didn't go to Umuezu. I believe you. Agbomma, can you narrate the same tale you gave to Uzomili, your friend? About how you went to Umuezu and you were treated like a princess. Or did you make that story up? Did you? Agbomma, I am waiting.
What evil spirit has possessed Agbomma?
You can't forbid her from going to Umuezu without any good reason.
Is that why she flaunted my orders?
You cannot make orders in my house. It's my house. I am the head.
Agbomma is my daughter. I should have a say in her life.
Nobody is disputing that. But can you at least be reasonable when doing that?
How dare she disobey me in that manner? How dare?
Udala, this is a case of our ancestors trying to restore what was lost. Why Manari wants egwu ejule to come alive again? The same egwu ejule that gives hope to the hopeless and restores strength to the weak. In her wisdom, she has sent somebody.
And that is exactly my problem. That is exactly my problem. Why must she send somebody from Umuez to achieve that? And that foolish daughter of yours had the guts to develop feelings for that man. Who taught her that? You? Was that how you brought her up?
Dalingo, may I know something here? Put me through. What is the real problem? Is it because this man is from Umuezu? Or that Agbomma already likes him?
Both. Omemboji, I am against both of them. Never with my child, my daughter, or anybody related to me have anything to do with Umuezu people. And then me, never.
Serious? This is serious. This is serious. This is serious. Umuezu people are very good people. They're so caring when it comes to taking care of strangers. Umuezu people can give their food to total strangers and go to bed in empty stomachs. They're the best. But what does she have against Umuezu people anyway?
Thank the gods. The gods answer prayers. I was hoping my strong friend would walk in and help me with this. Here she is. Please help me. Agbomma, why do you look like you just fought with spirits? What is it?
Not one more step forward. How could you do that, Uzommili? I trusted you to keep it to yourself.
Keep what to myself? What is it?
Now that you have told my mother and my house is on fire, are you happy? Now that my mother knows about my visit to Ozobialu, have you been awarded the most gracious maiden in Adabowole? Or are you going to marry Prince Anayo of Adabowole?
What? Are you telling me the truth or is this a joke?
Mama, it's been bothering me. And you know I cannot joke with such a thing. Agbomma did not only go to Umuezu, she was treated like a princess. And equally fell in love with Ozobialu.
Wait. No. My daughter has not gone crazy yet.
It's either the man has hypnotized her or she's just crazy.
I'm going to sort that out.
Mama, wait. I still care about Agbomma. I know you forbade her from going to Umuezu. And I know you did it for a good cause, which will benefit her. Hence, I didn't condone her disobedience to you.
Uzommili, thank you for your genuine care. I appreciate.
Mama, please. If she finds out I told you this, she will be very mad at me. I still value our friendship. Please.
Don't worry about that. Have no worries at all.
Now let me see how she will come back with more of her stupid love tales.
Uzommili, I ask you, what do you plan to gain from what you have just done? Look at what you have done to my house is on fire because you could not keep your mouth shut.
Agbomma, there is a mix-up somewhere. Did your mother tell you I said anything? Did she tell you I said anything to her?
Not only are you a betrayer, you're also a liar. Now, how you managed to deceive me all this while is what I cannot explain.
That is not a nice thing to say to a friend that has been there for you all these years.
And messes it up with a destructive gossip. I trusted you, Uzomili. I could trust you with my life.
You cannot accuse me falsely. I ask again, did your mother tell you she got the information from me? Me, Uzomili?
Even if she did not say she got the information from you, you are the only one that knows of that visit. But no other person in this kingdom knows of that visit but you, Uzomili.
But the winds have ears. Remember we said that in the open. Someone else must have heard about it and gone to your mother with it.
Agbomma, I cannot hurt you. You know that. Indeed. And to answer your question, yes, my mother mentioned your name. She said you were the one who told her of my visit to Umwezu and my consequent attraction to Ozobialu. Now, I hope the winds did a good job blowing it her way.
Why would this woman do this after she promised me that I had no reason to worry?
Well, I have achieved my aim. I'll find a way and make up with her. And now that Ujuma is out of her life, she will find it easy and necessary to accept me. Why would this woman call my
How dare you? How dare you bring such a woman into my court? How?
Father, what do you mean by such a woman? What has she done? You haven't even heard what I have to say about her.
Oh, I don't need to, because you have already said all that I needed to know. Listen, son. I want you to kill whatever thing you are trying to build with that maiden. Kill it immediately.
Father, my meeting with that maiden was divine. I told you about a particular song that will not leave my lips, and how this maiden said something concerning the song.
Oh, Ozobialu, what do you want to do? Become a singer? Take her all around town, singing for her? I heard you even had her attended to, like a princess. How could you, Ozobialu? How could you?
Father, sometimes I don't understand you. Hospitality is a part of our culture, especially for people visiting for the first time. How can you now suddenly have a problem with that?
Listen, son. You will do just two things for me. One, never bring that maiden into my court again. And two, see her no more. Don't even ask me why. For what I have just said is a direct order from Ezu of Umwezu.
Father, what if the only reason I want to see her is because I love her?
Ozobialu, you have gone crazy. You have gone crazy. That is the only reason you have the guts to utter those words when I have given an order. Leave my face. Leave.
Father, I am not interested in all these titles and ceremonies that make you stand out. I am me, and I will always remain me. I love this maiden. I will never stop seeing her because she has become a core part of my life. This can't they let me be with who I want to be with? What's all these restrictions? She don't want that. She wouldn't let me be with her. Ozobialu,
explain the meaning of that rubbish you earlier said, that you have grown big enough to disobey me. You,
Father, I have never disobeyed you. And that's because you come up with good ideas and reasons and explanations. But I'm sorry, in this case, I will have to disobey you.
You will do no such thing. And you will not marry that maiden from Agbomma. Do you hear me?
Why? You're not giving me any reason. That's the problem. Why don't you want me to marry her? What has she done wrong, Father? Moreover, you haven't even met the maiden in question.
I do not need to see her. Before I know she is wrong for my son, you must hear me.
Okay, Father, fine. But give me a reason at least. Let me know why you are giving me all these restrictions. Let me even understand where you're coming from. Or at least allow me bring her to you so you can see her for yourself.
Over my dead body. Never! I do not want to see her or have anything to do with her. Walk out on me? No! No! You can marry any woman from any other place, but not Agbomma. No!
Ujunwa, what is it? What are you doing here?
I am here to see my friend.
And who is that your friend?
My friend's name is Agbomma.
It is so painful that I am surrounded by people who claim they're my friends. People who do not know the slightest thing it takes for someone to be a friend. Agbomma here would rather be alone than surround herself with people like that. Did you hear me?
You've been insinuating that I've been a bad friend to you, Agbomma. I have examined myself. I cannot even see where I went wrong. It makes me very uncomfortable, and that's why I keep coming, Agbomma.
So, what is the essence of this sermon?
Even if it's the last thing you do for me, even if you don't want this friendship anymore, tell me where I went wrong. Tell me where I have offended you. Let me apologize to you, because apologizing to you will make a whole lot of difference to me. Yes.
I see. Since you claim to be so ignorant of what you have done, I will let you know. Oh, sit down.
Will you not say anything to me? Or will you let me stand there like a fool?
Amaka, what is it? I don't understand why you won't let me have my peace.
Oh, you want to have your peace when I'm worried?
If you are worried, then that's because you want to be worried. I don't understand how I am the cause or the reason or part of your worry.
The news is everywhere that you brought a maiden into this court and treated her like a princess. And you say you have nothing to do with my worries.
Hold on, wait. How is that your problem?
How will you be this insensitive? I've lived in this kingdom with you all these years. We've been friends, Ozobialu, and not even for once have you treated me like a princess. Not even for once did you have your maids that work here attend to me. Then this stranger comes and you did all that for her.
Hey. Point of correction. Agbomma is not a stranger to me.
Then who is? Tell me.
Of course,
who is she?
I will tell you. She's someone I love with all my heart. And I plan to spend a very long time with.
Agbomma, you are joking. You are joking. Tell me the true reason you've been avoiding me.
You and I know that I'm not a joker. I am only telling you this because I want you to stop disturbing me. Not like I care how you feel or how you react to it.
That's a lie. In fact, that's the most ridiculous lie I've ever heard in my entire life. Uzomili could not have told you that.
Well, she did. And at the time she told me, I believed she cared. Not until she proved otherwise. Ujunwa, see, I do not want both of you to disturb me again. So leave me alone.
Agbomma, I have not said anything concerning your refusal to suit us. I did not say anything to Uzomili. I didn't even say anything to anyone else.
So,
stories that touch the heart.
Agbomma, I am serious. Listen, we've been through this together. We've been in this together. You told me your reasons for rejecting each of these suitors and I stood by you the whole time. Now, why will I turn around and make it a topic of discussion among
I
men?
do not want to hear anything from you again, Ujuma. I don't even care about the answer to that question. All I want for you is to stop disturbing me. Leave me alone. It is not by force to be my friend. You asked why I avoid you and I told you. What do you want from me again? Get up and leave, Biko. Leave my house.
I will leave. But right before I leave, I am going to prove to you the kind of friend I have been to you.
Biko Naba. Mana second say. Pass ya. Look at that. What they want to do is to come close to you. Gather all the information and topics they want so that when they go under the tree, they start to open their mouth and gossip. And use you as topic. Let me see you here again.
I'm asking you, Ozobialu, what do you mean by you will be with her for a very long time?
I like her. Okay, wait, let me explain this to you. I love her. And if she truly feels the same for me, I will marry her.
You will marry her? What about me? What happens to me?
What do you mean, what happens to you?
Yes, what happens to me if you marry her?
Hold on. Amaka, I hope you're not having in your head. Did I ever promise you marriage?
Why are you saying this to me? You know how I feel about you. You know all I want is to be with you. And you're saying this to me?
Wait, please. I've had enough headache and drama for one day, please. If you don't mind, I need to go get some rest. We'll talk later.
So, all this while, he felt nothing for me. All this while, I have been fooling myself? No, I will not let this happen. I love him. I want him. I should be his wife. Yes, Amaka must be Ozobialu's wife. Nobody can stop that.
Sorry, I was in the kitchen. Welcome. I hope all is well.
All is well. Agbomma's mother said to me. She said she wants to see both of us, you and I.
I hope there is no problem.
Well, I was curious too, but she didn't sound like there's any.
I doubt that. I doubt it because Agbomma came to my house the other day barking like a dog because her mother found out she went in search of that man from Umuizu.
Umuizu? Which man from Umuizu?
Oh, I forgot she's not even talking to you. But by the way, what did you even do to her?
I asked you the same question the other day. How have I offended Agbomma? How did I offend her?
My dear, you don't need to worry about that, okay? Because being her friend is heartbreaking. No man will ever notice you. Because Agbomma will overshadow you with her witchcraft. And when this man starts developing interest in her, she turns them down. She will not let you get noticed and she will not accept them.
Uzo, please, let us go and answer her mother, the ever-elegant Udaligwe. Don't you think so?
I hope it's not about that stupid Agbomma's love at first sight. That man from Umuizu. After treating our men like idiots, she thinks she will end in Umezu. Okuya?
Uzo, I have a whole lot of other things to take care of today.
I'm coming, let me join.
Please, do. Let's go.
Monday, Umoma. Kedu?
Thank you.
None, no.
Is she not the one you said I wanted to see us?
She is.
Ujunwa, are you alright? She is, yet she's leaving.
Uzo, let us wait for her. I am sure she won't take long. Let's go.
Ujunwa, what is the meaning of this?
The meaning is simple. Uzomili, I need you to tell Agbomma here in my presence where and how you saw me with a group of ladies discussing her inability to accept a suitor. Ngwa, I am still waiting. And when you're done telling us that, I also need you to tell us where and how I told you that her inability to accept a suitor is as a result of the evil spirit she's possessed with. Take.
Uzomili, why are you keeping quiet? Say something. I have something to do at the back.
Agbomma, I do not understand any of this. Did I actually tell you Junwa said any of this?
Hey!
Please, when?
What? What did you just say? Are you going to deny this in my very presence?
I'm not denying anything. It's just the way you people are presenting it, eh? Even involving Ajani, Mother Earth.
It's not fair. I'm your friend, and it's not good to conspire against a friend.
I am vindicated. Uzomili, you are so pathetic.
You can be this evil. How did it take me this long to realize who you truly are? So I wasted my time being your friend. Hey!
To cut this whole story short, Agbomma, you see all those things Uzomili told you that I said about you, she was actually the one who said all that. I was the one who was even trying to caution her.
This clearing of the stream happens every Eke before the festival of Anamwemadu. Whoever fails to participate must be punished.
Including your friend Agbomma, because I'm not seeing her here yet.
There are no exceptions. Whoever the person is, my friend or enemy.
But there's a reason Agbomma is not here.
And what could that reason be?
A reason you already know about.
Oh, how could I forget? She turned down another suitor yesterday after the evil spirit possessed her again. All look surprised. Agbomma is my friend. I know her too well. I know what her problem is. She is possessed by a strong demon that does not want her to settle down. She has tried to fight it, but alas, she cannot.
I'm shocked with your revelation. I had always believed that something is wrong with that girl.
Thank you, my sister. Even one name, madam. That is exactly the point. That is exactly the point. The mermaid spirit in her is at work. And the worst is that those of us who are close to her end up being the victims. Because once she turns down these suitors, they end up not noticing anyone around her. Even when we try to press hard.
Uzomili, are we here to clean the stream as supposed? Or we are here to discuss another? Answer me.
We go take it easy. Why are you throwing these things at me? Ha!
Why won't I talk to you like that? Let me tell you, what you did was wrong. It was wrong.
But the truth is always bitter.
What stupid truth are you talking about? That Agbomma is possessed by an evil spirit. Is that what you call truth?
Of course. Haven't you noticed?
The question should be the other way around. How could you possibly think such about your own friend? And you even said it publicly. Uzombi.
Some people are fully blind with their eyes wide open. I don't want to believe that you're comfortable with the fact that Agbomma brings bad luck to us.
Agbomma brings bad luck to no one. Have you taken your time to find out why Agbomma has been refusing those men? No, you haven't. I don't think so. Wait, let me tell you. That is what you're supposed to do as a friend. Not going about telling people wrong things about her. Yes, that's what you're supposed to do. Chere, Magwagi, pray to God that she doesn't get to hear all you've been saying about her. Because if she does, it will be bad. Really, really bad.
Hey! Agbomma has truly caught you with her evil spirit. She's really possessed. I can see. Uju, why are you talking to me like this because of Agbomma? She has caught you. She has caught you. Now I believe she's truly possessed. Hey! Uju, you're talking to me like this because of Agbomma?
Oh, Uzomili, I cannot believe that you turned around and told all these things to Agbomma when you're actually the bad person here.
Ujunwa, do not call me names. I'm not the bad person.
I will call you names. You are a bad person and I will say it over and over again. I was even trying to be matured with you. But you were up to something and I did not even notice.
Agbomma, you have to listen to me. You have to listen to me. Ujunwa is just being jealous because you no longer talk to her.
Yes, I no longer talk to her because of the lies you fed me with. Well, congratulations, because you succeeded in destroying our friendship when you are the one I should have avoided in the first place.
Avoid me? Agbomma, I am not as bad as you think.
Uzomili, you know what? Just get out. Get out of my father's compound and never you set your foot here again. Because if you do, that day I will avenge for all the damage you caused to my image.
Agbomma,
get out!
I'm very sad and wounded, Papa. It appears as if I've been fooling myself all this while.
You have not, my daughter. Don't say that. Listen, all you need to do is to work harder now that you have a competitor.
But
He sees me as a friend and nothing more.
Listen, Amaka. Ozobialu sees you as a friend because you allowed it to be so. Or are you going to allow him go on with this his new foolishness? You have an advantage over every other person because you know him. Because you know him like no one else does. You have been with him all your life.
What do I do now? What do I do now? I'm confused. But he's beginning to avoid me. Eh?
Amaka, no woman asks such question. If truly she loves a man, I believe you know what to do. Come to me if you need my assistance in any way. But do not allow any woman, whoever she is, to snatch the man you have nurtured all these years. I, the Ezu of Umezu, will never be happy if that happens.
Ujunwa.
What is it? Why are you blocking my path, Agbomma? Why?
Biko, I was trying to talk to you the other day in my house, but you left. I know how you feel, and I'm sorry about it. I want to apologize.
Agbomma, listen to me. I don't really have to be your friend if you don't want.
I want. And you know I really like you. It's just that Uzomili told me a lot of things that got me upset. And I was shocked that you could, do such a thing to me.
You should have confronted me. That is what real friends do. That's what you should have done. No, not treat me as if I'm one sworn enemy to you.
I'm sorry. I know I misbehaved. It's just... I apologize. Only Biko.
Listen.
I was just angry.
I am not the best lady. I am not perfect as well. But there are certain things that my conscience would not let me do to anyone. Especially the ones I call my friends.
I know. That's why I'm apologizing to you. So can you still call me your friend?
Depends. Depends on if you won't hide anything from me again.
Me? I won't hide anything from you again. So, new friendship for us.
New friendship.
Hey, Dalo. Thank you very much.
It's okay. So will you follow me to the stream?
In Aju. Just let me know when you're ready. I'll go with you. Oh?
Okay. I'll come and call you.
Okay.
Jumwa, when did you arrive?
Could it be true after all? Are you really possessed?
I wonder what is going on in that brain of yours.
You're not happy I stopped you from singing. When did you become a singer, by the way?
Anybody can become anything at any time.
Indeed.
Let me remind you, my great-grandfather, Ozomadi of Umuezu, was the creator of Wampa singing and dancing group. You never can tell if the spirit of Wampa has come to me.
Indeed. And was this the same song you sang for the maiden from Adabowel? You missed her, don't you?
Yes, I do. Every day, all the time. I wish I knew her house. I wish I could just see her. She told me she was coming back, but she never did. Amaka, you can help me, okay? You can travel to Adabowel and make inquiries for me. You're a maiden, so nobody will suspect you.
You're not serious. You want me to help you locate a maiden that is about stealing my man from me? Ozobialu, when have you started going to Awotolu's house to smoke weed with the rest of them?
What maiden is about stealing which man from you? And why would you link me with Awotolu?
Why are you bent on breaking my heart, Ozobialu? Why?
You not only told me that you have feelings for another maiden, now you're asking me to go help you locate her?
I'm sorry if you're creating pictures in your mind, honestly. I'm sorry, I'm not sure I gave you any such impression that you and I are having anything, okay? I take you as my sister.
Oh, maybe you did when you told me you're not interested in any woman.
Yes. At the time I told you that I wasn't interested in any woman until Agbomma came along. And then I fell for her. I feel strongly for her and I cannot give it up, okay? Please, I am begging you, do not make any impressions about us. It won't work. I do not want us to ruin these years of friendship, okay?
Ujunwa, why are you staring at me as if you're seeing me for the very first time? What can I do? Okay, is it because of the dance and the music? Don't worry, they're nothing. Let us hurry up to the stream before those silly maidens will go and mess the stream up.
Oh, you knew about that. Yet you wasted all our time dancing like a mad woman.
Ujunwa, my dance was coordinated one. It was very coordinated. Was I dancing like a mad woman? Don't make me regret telling you the things I've told you so far.
Agbomma, the madness is not in the dance step. Because even your enemies know that you are a very good dancer. The madness is you dancing to an unheard music. I watched you, you were dancing. That's madness.
Agbomma has gone beyond what I can take. I am either going to kill her or disown her.